This is a tangle called Umble. I begin with a border and then I draw this band of like a fourth of a circle and I fill it in and then I aura both sides. And I do this in all four corners. And I begin all my tangles with gratitude, appreciation for the pen, the paper, anything I can be grateful for. I usually take a few deep breaths with gratitude. On the inhale and on the exhale, I get rid of all the junk. Now I'm doing one of those bands of a circle, but this time it's more of a half a circle and it's underneath two of the circles that are in the corner. And I again repeat this on each side of the border. So essentially we're just layering and layering and layering. So I draw and fill in the band and then I aura the top and the bottom. I do use a thicker marker to fill in. It just makes it quite a bit easier and faster. And so this one, I'm just essentially auraing the band behind it in the corner. And then I just repeat this process until the very center. Throughout this whole tangle, I focus on making sure I'm not holding my breath, unclenching my jaw, making sure I'm not biting the inside of my cheek or scrunching my toes, just kind of keeping track of where I'm moving my stress to. And so here is Umble. Check out my other videos, and I go live almost daily.